It's Ellie and welcome to my channel. Today I have a great short chair yoga video for your posture, perfect for seniors and beginners. We are focusing on improving our ability to sit up, tall and proud. As we age, the gravity takes all the organs down and squeeze them. So we want to slow down this gravity process and create space for our organs to work better, especially for our lungs, our heart, and our digestive system. Let's begin in our chair. Keep your back tall, sitting on your sitting bones. Your feet are just under your knees and they are flat on the ground. Your hips are under the shoulders in one line. And your head is reaching up for the ceiling. Shoulders back and down. You can soften your eyes and take 3 breaths, deep and long, through your nose. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling through your nose, exhaling through your nose. Another one. And exhaling. Bring your right hand on your right shoulder, left hand can stay on the thigh, and start rotate your shoulders, one way. You don't need to do big circles. Focusing on this movement of the joint in the socket with this rotation. We are waking up our body and come back down. Let's switch arm, left hand, left shoulder. Start rotating your shoulder and keep breathing, always through your nose. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down, and come back down. Both hands, both shoulders, and start rotate your shoulders together. Your elbows can touch or not. It doesn't matter. Just focus on this movement of the shoulders. We are warming up our body. And we are oiling our joints too. And come back down. Excellent. Bring your arms on cactus pose. Widen your fingers. Push back with your elbows. Inhaling, lift up your arms, reaching up. Exhaling, elbows to your waist. Keep your shoulders back. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. We are working our shoulder blades for their mobility, for your health. Other 3 times, inhaling up, exhaling down, and inhaling up, exhaling down, elbows back, inhaling up, exhaling down, and release your arms. You can shake your hands arms. Bring your spine nice and tall. Remember your line, shoulders, hips, one line. Extend your arms. Inhaling, turn your palms up. Exhaling, palms down. Inhaling, palms up. Exhaling, palms down. And continue with your breathing. Inhaling, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Other 3 times. We are opening our heart and release your arms. You can move your shoulders one at a time. We have other 2 nice asanas to lengthen your spine. The first is lengthening, is reaching up with your arms, and the second one is side bends. Let's start with your arms on the side, palms out, inhaling, rise up your arms, reaching up, and start climbing an imaginary rope. Extend one arm at a time, extend, lengthening through your spine. You can look up and see your rope. Other 5 breaths. You are climbing up. Keep breathing and come back down with your arms. Shake your hands. Excellent. Grab your chair on the side. Spine nice and tall. Remember, shoulders down, shoulder blades close. Engage your core. Belly to the spine to protect your lower spine. Extend your right leg and extend it in one line, just like your body, and breathe. With the next inhalation, point your foot and start flex and point, flex and point. For a few times. Engage your core. Your quads, all your muscles. And come back down and shake your leg. Let's switch leg. Extend your left leg. One line, remember? Hip, knee, ankle, toes. Just straight, just like your body. Extend and flex. Point, flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point, flex. Inhaling, exhaling. Inhaling, exhaling. Focusing on this movement. And slowly come back down and shake your legs. Excellent. Arms on the side. Inhaling, rise up your right arm, reaching up, exhaling, flex on the left. Come back down, and again, inhaling, up, and flex, exhaling, down, inhaling, inhaling out, up, and flex. And stay now. Open the shoulder, extend your arm, and breathe. We are creating space on our spine, on our rib cage. For our organs. And the next inhalation, come back down with your right arm. Inhale, rise up your left arm, reaching up, exhaling, flex. Come back down, inhaling up, reaching up, exhaling, flex. Come back down, last time, inhaling up, exhaling, flex. Stay looking up. Breathe deeply. Breathe in that space on the left side. And come back down with your arm. You can move your shoulders a little bit. You can move your legs one at a time up. And come back down. Place your hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Close your eyes for a few moments. And start noticing how you feel after this short practice. Maybe you feel taller, you feel better, you feel happier, you feel fine. Take 3 breaths through your nose, deep and long. Inhaling through your nose, expanding your chest. Exhaling, contracting everything. And again, inhaling again, deep and long, exhaling out. Last time. And out. Bring your palms together in front of your heart center. Drop your chin to the chest. Allowing yourself to say thank you to yourself. Namaste. I really hope that you enjoy this practice. Remember, share with your friends, and please subscribe on my channel. See you in our next video.